pineapple efficiently. This is our pineapple. This is Del Monte Gold pineapple. It's ready to eat. So, yes, it is. Before cutting it, like you need to see if it's ripe or not. If it's ripe, then you need to start cutting from this side. And like while cutting, you need to cut the way that the eyes of the bulbs are visible. So you go straight from the side and slightly go down like this way. Be sure that you can see these things. That will make it easy to cut them out again later. So just give some space and cut it straight way down. Now it should look like this. So let's just cut these things up. Just so don't cut the upper part. We will cut this thing at the end. So it makes us easy to hold it. Okay, now small knife to cut these things. So just be sure to be sure to clear all the skin from here and make it all visible and white. So now second, let's cut out these bulbs, these eyes from here. So we can see these are going on brown in the same way. So let's just start from this side. So if we do one at a time, we will make a more, we will throw less pineapple. So let's just cut it from here this way. So like you can see a clear line from here, so it goes all the way down. Now let's start a new way. So this is the most efficient state. So you need some time to learn this state, and after you learn, you'll have nice.
It's amazing, bro.
Yeah, it's amazing after you cut it. Now we have finished cutting it, and after we cut this, it looks beautiful. Yeah, it looks amazing after we cut. So
That's how it should look, man.
yeah, it looks nice. So after this, we'll finally cut this thing out. So place a knife over it, and now it's gone. We don't have any use of it. We'll be cutting it next. So make a straight cut from above and push it. If it's ripe, then it will go easily down. Now we have a phrase. Over here. So let's put this half over here. Let's cut it again.
You have to wash it.
Yeah. So no, I don't think we need to wash it because it's clean anyway.
Okay.
So we make it half again and cut. We need to throw this hard part
Okay.
because it is not good to eat. Let's cut it. We throw it away. Come from the side.
That's dope, bro.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, let's see some.
Okay. This is a pineapple. We have it half here, so we can cut it the same way. So this way you can cut a pineapple and you will throw less of it and have more fruit from it. Thank you.
All right.
Thank you.